great pleasure for us to attend this program. I think your beautiful infrastructure has added another institution to Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh, and we are proud of it. We have started, when we started off 6 or 7 years back, a lot of world-renowned institutions have come here, starting with ISB and IIT. BITS Pilani has come to Hyderabad, and I think Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, I think GMR is coming, then Tata Institute of Social Science, NMIMS, that is from Bombay, business school is coming here. So our Hyderabad, we would like to transform it into a knowledge city. We have got the advantage of having good infrastructure and good industry, like I think in pharma and pharmaceuticals and in IT, we are the leaders in the country. And these industrialists are helping us to develop our infrastructure, and I think all these institutions are adding quality to the education. Some years back, wealth meant what they inherited from their family or what they are going to earn. But today, knowledge is wealth. Unless we improve our knowledge and unless we have new solutions to the problems which are coming, it's very difficult for us to go ahead. I think here we in the government have strived very hard to give lot of prominence to education, and I think we are proud to say, sir, that we are financing about 27 lakh students every year, paying about 3,500 crore scholarship and fees reimbursement. Yes, it's slightly a burden on us, but I think it's a primary duty to see that no child in this state of Andhra Pradesh should be deprived of education or higher education due to lack of financial strength, whichever caste he could belong to. It is not only the SCs and STs and minorities, we are financing the BCs and OBCs, all communities across. Every person who is below the poverty line who would like to study, we are financing them, and it's a huge task for us, and I think we are doing the right thing in investing on human resource development. I think we are at 4-5 years back, our higher education or technical students in Andhra Pradesh was about 140,000. From 140,000 it has nearly touched 5 lakh students in engineering and MBAs and MCAs and pharmaceuticals and professional courses. That is all this government is giving scholarships for the students. It is very important that quality education is what is required. We do not want just engineers and MBAs coming out without the knowledge of what is happening in the world and how they have to compete in the world. It's become a global village. Whole world is a global village today, and our competition is not only within the city or within the state, it is worldwide competition. Unless we focus on creativity and out-of-box thinking for the entrepreneurs, it is very difficult for us to survive in this competitive world. And I think this institution, this beautiful institution, I think the very look of it, I think it will inspire the students to study, and I wish the first batch all the best. The other day, I think the director of BITS Pilani is here. I had gone there, I think, for their fourth anniversary, and beautiful campuses have come up. I think this inspires, the environment inspires the students, and students in their competition with each other. I think that is what will take our students ahead of others. It is very important that we compete with the world, and unless we compete with the world, and we are competing with the world. When the president of US in one of his programs has to say be careful, if you don't work hard, we have got the Indian students waiting to come here and take over the business in the world. That is the change human resource development is getting to the whole world. I think we've got a great leader in Kapil Sibbalji, who is showing the correct direction for qualitative and right knowledge for the students. Here, sir, we are trying to link up, we have put a mission with Rajiv Gandhi Education and Employment Mission, where we are trying to integrate the education and we are trying to give them training in this with lot of skill development, so that the students coming out of the universities are ready to take up any challenges as jobs in any one of the world's biggest firms also. That type of confidence is what we would like to create, and we have set ourselves a modest task of employing 15 lakh students in the next 3 years, 5 lakhs every year, and I think it is taking shape, and we will take the guidance from there. And it is, I think, in the 12th 5-year plan, Government of India is thinking of lot of skill development for the advancement of the students, and I wish the Institute of Management Technology all the best, and I think you will add pride to Andhra Pradesh and Hyderabad. We are proud of it. I hope that all the students here will do well with the inspiration you have from the infrastructure and from the staff here, and all the best, and all the best for the management to see that this becomes a world-class institution. Thank you very much, sir, for inviting me here.